So what are the advantages of using reinforcement learning from human feedbacks? Well, I think it's very clear that the advantage is that it's much easier to just rank different outputs rather than creating a completely new one. So now we've seen the example of jokes about pelicans, but what if it's a poem? It is much easier to rank 5 poems from worst to best rather than writing a whole new poem. It's the only way to use reinforcement learning in a non-verifiable domains, and therefore allowing the AI to, for example, understand ethic or morale or creativity or really anything that is non-verifiable, like humor. But there are really a lot of downsides as well. In fact, Karpathy calls this the fake reinforcement learning. That is because it is actually a simulation and can be very misleading many times. If you think about the second steps of fine-tuning, this really is much more like fine-tuning rather than reinforcement learning. In true reinforcement learning, the AI learns by interacting with the environment. Reinforcement learning from human feedbacks doesn't do that at all. It doesn't create new strategies dynamically to solve a problem. It really just optimizes based on human rankings. But still, it's the best we can do for non-verifiable domains. Now, before giving a conclusion and a summary of all we've seen today, I want to get into a very important topic, which is hallucinations.